Welcome back to Rolling Legends, your go-to place for the latest rides redefining the road. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated electric crossovers of 2026, the all-new BYD Sealion 7. This sleek machine is not just another REV, it's BYD's boldest statement yet, aiming straight for the heart of the global electric SUV market. Right off the bat, the Sealion 7 demands attention. It's built on BYD's e-Platform 3.0 EVO, designed to deliver better performance, improved range, and faster charging. It sits somewhere between a coupe SUV and a sporty crossover, with flowing aerodynamic lines, a sloping roof line, and a futuristic front fascia. At over 4.8 meters long, the Sealion 7 has a commanding presence on the road, yet remains sleek and agile in design. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, we're looking at a new-gen lithium iron phosphate blade battery. The top-tier model is rumored to pack a dual-motor AWD setup, producing around 530 horsepower, that gets you from 0 to 100 km/h in under 4 seconds. And thanks to BYD's improvements in motor efficiency and battery chemistry, the Sealion 7 is expected to deliver up to 650 km of range on the CLTC cycle, which should translate to around 550 km in real-world conditions. But speed and range are only part of the story. Inside, the Sealion 7 is every bit as premium as you'd expect from a flagship. You're greeted by a clean, tech-forward cabin with sustainable materials, soft-touch panels, and a panoramic glass roof that fills the space with natural light. At the center sits BYD's iconic rotating infotainment screen, and now even larger at 15.6 inches with sharp graphics, snappy response, and full 5G connectivity. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are finally standard, and data updates ensure your system stays fresh. Driver assist tech, absolutely loaded. The Sealion 7 features the latest vPilot 2.0 suite, including adaptive cruise, lane centering, traffic jam assist, and a 360-degree camera system. It's not fully autonomous, but it'll take the edge off your daily drive. And for the audiophiles out there, a custom Dyne audio speaker system rounds out the in-cabin experience. Now here's the kicker: pricing. While nothing's official yet, BYD is known for shaking up the segment with aggressive pricing. Early estimates suggest the Sealion 7 could start around $40,000 in global markets, making it a serious rival to the Tesla Model Y, the Hyundai Ioniq 5, and the Ford Mustang Mach-E, but with more range and better value. Whether you're a performance junkie, a tech lover, or just EV-curious, the 2026 BYD Sealion 7 looks ready to redefine what an electric SUV can be. This is a car that isn't just keeping up, it's aiming to lead. That's it for today's breakdown on Rolling Legends. If you enjoyed the ride, don't forget to hit like, smash that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss another drop. Let us know in the comments, would you take the Sealion 7 over a Tesla Model Y? Until next time, keep those wheels turning and stay legendary.